Let us now read the next passage which came in the CLAT 2021 actual paper in English language section. Okay, let's see what is this passage talking about. Following the transition of democracy with the inauguration of Nelson Mandela as the president in 1994, South Africa was faced with the task of dealing with its past and undertaking some action to deal with social injustice. Okay, so we all know about South Africa. Social injustice existed there. Okay, people were not given their rights as it existed in India in the form of caste. Okay, where person from particular caste is not given certain rights, so there was social injustice. Okay, similar things were happening in South Africa where blacks were not given the rights. Okay, that's when Nelson Mandela, when he became the president, he wanted to bring a change to this. Okay, that's why what is given for this, so some action to deal with social injustice. Okay, he has to deal with this task. So the Truth and the Reconciliation Committee, the commission, herald as the most ambitious and the organized attempt to deal with crimes of past regime through the concept of truth, came in 19th of July 1995 in South Africa. Okay, so to deal with this social injustice, to bring social justice, this commission was formed on this date in South Africa. Okay, emerging as the political strategy to acknowledge past suffering, promoting a future based on the concern of social justice, the rule of law and reconciliation. That's what he's saying. Okay, so to bring in social justice, this committee was formed as soon as Nelson Mandela became the president. Okay, so they have to deal with social injustice, so they formed this committee. The commission has struggled to fulfill its objective. So now he's saying the commission was formed, but it did not fulfill its objective. How? Although the TRC incorporated this broader concerns into mandate of this 3 subcommittees, so TRC formed 3 subcommittees. So they included this concern in their mandate, but they were disregarded in practice. Okay, they wanted to overthrow social injustice. They made the committee for that, but they did not bring their ideas into action. This subcommittees, which reflects concern for human rights violation, amnesty, reparation and rehabilitation. Okay, what is this committee working for? Human rights violation. So people should not be allowed to violate other people's human rights. Okay, all of them should have their human right, that is right to live. Okay, right for life, right to live with dignity. Okay, that is all your human rights. Okay, so they should not be violated. So that's what the subcommittee was formed for. Amnesty, which means official pardon. Okay, so for that also this committee was formed. You should pardon people. Reparation and rehabilitation. So people who have already suffered, how do you rehabilitate them? Okay, that's why this committee were formed. Were not coupled with some of the social transformation, but they were not able to achieve this objective. Okay, that is what is being said. The public transition from apartheid established through a negotiated settlement rather than a revolutionary process. So to bring in such changes, you need a revolutionary process. Okay, as India went in through. Right against exploitation is made as a fundamental right. Okay, no one can exploit someone just because he belongs to some other caste. So you need a revolutionary process for that. But it was a negotiated settlement. Okay, that's what this committee has done. So again, he is criticizing the committee. Framed by the commission powers. Shaped by the historical context of the particular transition, the TRC was careful not to rock the structural boat. Okay, rather than pursuing truth or justice, okay, which is their prime purpose here, to pursue truth and justice as an integrated feature of social transformation. So if you have to bring social transformation, you have to pursue truth and justice. The commission, okay, what they did, rather than doing this, the commission and to greater extent the government of South Africa maintained an agenda that avoided a challenges to the status quo, which you can say existing condition. So rather than changing the structural boat, okay, how the structure of the society is, rather than pursuing truth and justice, the government of South Africa as well as the commission maintained the agenda avoiding the status quo, avoiding the existing condition. Okay, so they did not went for the revolutionary process which is required for such transformation. Okay, they were just pleasing the people according to the conditions that were there during that time. Okay, so they did not chase truth, justice, which is actually required, which is actually the purpose of this committee, okay, to bring in social justice. Okay, rather than doing that, they just kept on pleasing the people who were there during that time, maintaining the existing condition, okay, rather than changing the structural board, rather than changing the structure of the society. Okay, they did not do their work. That's what he's trying to say. A focus on restorative justice was taken by the commission, with the emphasis placed on mechanism to restore victims and survivors through reparation policy, state-led acknowledgement of suffering and condemnation, together with the transformation of the system that implemented such widespread of abuse. Okay, so there was an abuse that was happening, okay, because social justice was not served. So rather than helping the victims, survivors, through their reparation policy, okay, giving them some reparation, giving them some acknowledgement for their sufferings, helping to restore victims, they did not do any of such things. They did not do any of such things. Okay, that is what he is trying to say here. The priority of changing the apartheid condition of gross inequality and oppression provided a backdrop to the approval of the TRC by those who had suffered. Okay, so what is he saying now? The priority of changing such condition of gross inequality provided a backdrop to the approval of this, okay, by those who have suffered. Because there was inequality, this committee was formed, okay, by those who have suffered. So the priority should be changing, okay, and not accepting to the condition. So again he is saying and criticizing that the commission has not done its work. More difficult to accept was the provision of amnesty to those who have undertaken violation of human rights. So people who have violated human rights, you are pardoning them. Amnesty means official pardon. So it was difficult to accept such things. Okay, they should be punished for what they have done. Instead, you are pardoning them, even when you know they had violated human rights of certain people. So you are not serving to social justice. Okay, you are doing social injustice, which is not the work of this committee. Okay, they had to bring some revolutionary process, but they did not. They did not rock the structural boat. Okay, they surrendered to the existing condition. Okay, that's what he is trying to say. The process placed amnesty of violations as a carrot to perpetrators in exchange for a full story. Okay, so if you are pardoning people who are violating human rights, they will be doing that again and again. Okay, so you are not bringing any change. Okay, so this pardon has served as a carrot for the perpetrators who have been doing this and repeating the task of violating human rights and doing social injustice again and again. Okay, with the stick of prosecution for those who did not come forward. Okay, so yes, many people did not come forward. Okay, that actually helped such people who are violating human rights to continue with what they are doing. Okay, so if I have to summarize this passage, this committee was formed to serve social injustice, to bring in social justice, but the committee did not serve to its work. Okay, so author is trying to be critical and telling us that the committee has not done its work, okay, what they were supposed to do. So we understood the meaning of the passage now, what the author is trying to say. Now let's answer the question that comes from this passage. So this is the first question that we see from the passage. The status quo as used in the passage means. Okay, so let's see where is the status quo here. So what is being said here, let's understand and let's try to derive the meaning from here only. So the government of South Africa as well as the commission maintained an agenda that avoided the challenge to the status quo. So they did not change the structure of the society. They did not pursue truth and social justice. They surrendered to the conditions that existed during that time. They surrendered and maintained the agenda that avoided the challenge to the status quo. Okay, which means you can see the existing condition or the people who were there in power. Okay, they avoided a challenge to them. So the status quo in the Passage means what? Previously popular opinion? No. Okay, it is something that was happening during that time. Already existing condition? Yes. Okay, they avoided the challenge to the already existing condition. Okay, where people in power were controlling everything, were controlling the social justice as well. So they avoided the challenge to this already existing condition. Okay, that's what I can make it out from here. Okay, they did not change the structure of the society. So status quo, you can say the already existing condition of the society. Okay, that was the structure of the society. So they avoided any challenge to that. Okay, strategies of government? No. Okay, it was about people. Okay, so already existing condition in the society looks good. Following a set agenda? Again, no. Okay, so clearly the answer here is B. Okay, what would I call this question to be? As a defensive question. Okay, not a 4. Okay, you may think that this is a 4, but for this you have to understand the passage well. If you had understood the passage as I understood it, okay, then only you can mark the answer here as B. Okay, or else you may mark it as strategies of government, already existing condition. So you may feel like, is it the existing condition of government, the strategies of government? Okay, no. Okay, not the following set of agenda. It's about the condition that existed in the society. The rich were richer and the poor are poorer. Okay, social justice is not served. That was the condition. That was the status quo. So they avoided the challenge to that. Okay, so if you understood this passage, then only you will get the answer. Okay, that's why I call this question to be as defensive. On this ball you should defend well, but don't lose your wicket. Okay, if you are sure of your understanding of passage, mark B as an answer. Let's see the next question from the passage. Which of the following best described the tone of the author? We know he was critical. He was criticizing the TRC commission. Okay, so clearly not optimistic. He's not very positive about what is happening. He's not threatening. No, he's not telling any government and threatening them that you should have done this, you should do this. He's not threatening tone. Compassionate, yes, you can say he was compassionate about people. Okay, but more or less he was criticizing the formation of the committee. Okay, he was being compassionate with the people, yes, but he was not telling everything about people. He was telling that the committee was formed with certain purpose and they did not serve to their purpose. What they were supposed to do, they did not do. So he was critical about it. He was criticizing them. Okay, so answer here is clearly D as an option. I would again call this question as a defensive question. Okay, the reason for this being, if you have understood the passage well, okay, then only you will mark D as an answer. Okay, I may also see certain students are marking C as an option. Okay, because they will feel that is compassion for the people who have not got the social justice. Okay, but this is clearly not the answer. This is not what he is saying for the entire passage. For the entire passage, he is criticizing the committee. Okay, so you would mark D as an answer here. So on this ball you should defend. Okay, but don't lose your wicket. Understand the line and length, understand the passage, and play it onto its merit. So if you understood, then mark D as an answer to this question. Let's see the next question from the passage. Which of the following is not the broader concern of Truth and Reconciliation Committee? Okay, so we know what was the purpose here. It is given in the passage. The purpose was to serve truth, justice, okay, to rock the structural board. They did not do all this. They wanted to do this. The purpose was to serve the concept of truth and justice. Okay, and the subcommittees which were formed were to look for human rights violation, reparation, rehabilitation. So eventually helping people and serving social justice. Okay, that was the purpose of TRC. So which is not, okay, which is not the purpose or the concern of TRC. So let's see. To deal with crimes of the past regime with the concept of truth, exactly this is a purpose. To deal with the past regime crimes, okay, social injustice that was given in the past, to deal with that is a purpose. So not an answer. Okay, I want which is not a concern. This is a concern, so not an answer. To acknowledge past suffering, yes, this is a concern. This is a concern, so not my answer. I want to know which is not a concern. To emerge as a political strategy for reconciliation of rule of law, no. Okay, they don't have to emerge as a political strategy. They don't have to give some political strategy for the rule of law. They are not going in the constitution, they are not going in the legislation, okay, and trying to change the law there. Okay, they are not coming up with a political strategy. Okay, what would be possibly be a political strategy, like say what India did, reservation for categories. Okay, so if you belong to a category and you have suffered social injustice in the past, we are giving you social justice by allocating certain seats to you, okay, in say jobs, in say education. That is a political strategy. Okay, is this what this committee is doing? No. Okay, they are just working on the truth, okay, and giving social justice by being in the society, not by being in the legislature. They are not making some law. Okay, so clearly C is an answer. This is not making law for people, is not the concern of this committee. Okay, people who have already suffered, to rehabilitate them, to look for the truth, is their concern, not to make law. Okay, so clearly C is the answer. Let's see the next option. To promote a future based on the concern of social justice. Correct. Okay, what kind of future do we expect, and how do people receive social justice? Okay, so clearly here C is an answer. I would call this question to be as a 4. Okay, because the option here is very easy. As soon as I see political strategy, I know they are not making law, okay, in legislature to bring in social justice. That is a purpose of government, not the purpose of commission. Okay, so this makes option C very easy for me. So if you understood this passage, you can clearly attempt this question. Okay, so on this ball you should hit a 4. Let's see the next question here. Which of the following statement is least likely to be inferred from the passage? Okay, so inference means what? What did you understand from passage? What was passage trying to say? Okay, what can you infer from the passage? What can you conclude? What do you understand from passage? Okay, what did passage communicated? So that is what you can keep as an inference. So the TRC ignored some of the broader concern. Yes, the passage is saying that the committee did ignore a lot of broader concern. So yes, this can be inferred. So not an answer. Second, the subcommittee of TRC lacked on agenda of social transformation. Yes, again the passage said this. 3 subcommittees were formed, but they did not honor their agenda of social transformation. They did not work as they were expected to. So again this can be inferred from the passage. Yes. The TRC made earnest effort to protect human rights. No, the TRC did not make any effort. In fact, the author is criticizing TRC. Okay, and this point is actually saying that TRC was good, it protected human rights. Okay, no, we cannot infer this from passage. Nowhere it is said that they actually made effort to protect human rights. Okay, the author is actually criticizing them. They did not made any efforts to protect human rights. Okay, so this is against of what the passage is saying. So this cannot be inferred. You cannot say this from the passage. Okay, so clearly that is the answer, because that is what he is asking. What is least likely to be inferred? This is least likely. Okay, that TRC made any effort to protect. They were made, the committee was made with a purpose to do that, but they did not fulfill the purpose what they were made for. Okay, so this is least likely to be inferred. Let's check the last one so that I confirm with this. The TRC lacked the desire and strength to challenge the prevailing condition. Yes, challenge the status quo, challenge the prevailing condition. They lack the desire as well as the strength. Exactly what the author is trying to say. So this can be inferred again. Okay, so D is again not the answer. So clearly C is the answer here. On this ball I'll hit a 4. Okay, because the question here are very easy. The options is easy. Okay, I can easily eliminate A, B and D to say that C is an answer here. Okay, so clearly a ball on which you should hit a 4. Okay, and now let's see the last question from the passage. What does amnesty mean in the context of the passage? Okay, if you have read Word Power Made Easy, okay, clearly you should know the meaning of amnesty, that is official pardon. Okay, you are pardoning someone. Okay, so official pardon is the meaning of this word, as given in Word Power Made Easy, and clearly given as an option here is D. Okay, so I would call again this question to be as a 4, because you're supposed to know all these words. Okay, I'm not expecting you to know all the vocabulary, but at least what is there in word power made easy should be known to you. Okay, so clearly here the answer is D. The word was easy. So an easy question on this ball as well, you should hit a 4.